Here it's Vandalyn Smith, and I want to come to you and speak with you for a few moments about Facebook advertising. A few of you have reached out to me wanting to know more about how to set up your Facebook advertising. But before we get into all of that, I wanted to make sure or make you aware of why it's important to know who your target audience is before you even begin to advertise on Facebook. It's important to know who your target audience is. So you've probably been advertising your products and services organically. You've been sharing your information on your Facebook page. You've been sharing it on your Instagram wall. And so you've been doing and taking advantage of free advertising, which is great. Free advertising via social media is great. But now you may be in a place to where you have blown through your organic reach. And this is where I find a lot of my people that are working with me, a lot of them have decided to partner with me because they have blown through their warm market or their warm market as well as their organic reach. And so before we even get started talking about running Facebook advertising, we have to have a talk about target audience. And the reason why we have to have a talk about target audience is because that's going to help you run effective ads on Facebook. So what I want to show you right now is this Facebook Audience Insights tool. So this is called the Facebook Audience Insights tool. This Facebook Audience Insights tool helps you develop research and helps you develop research on who your target audience is and helps you define things about your target audience so that you can fine tune who you want to show your products and services to. Because the thing about advertising on Facebook, of course, it's going to cost. So you're going to have to spend money to advertise your products and services. So you want to make sure that you're getting your products and services in front of the right people. And so this Facebook Audience Insights tool is a great way to start, especially when you know mostly most of the demographics about your target audience. But this is a way that you can break it down and find even more information about it. I'm just going to go through it just a little bit to show you a small example of how it works. And so you can see here, I've already have the United States selected. Of course, you will have your location selected wherever you want to advertise your services. And then here's where you will put in your age. For my target audience, I target women. So I'll be targeting women. And then here is where you would place their interest. So let's just say that you have a product or service and you want to market to real estate professionals and specifically luxury real estate professionals. So you want to target people who are into luxury real estate. So you can type in real estate and you can see that all of these choices are here. But as you can see, luxury real estate is an option. So once you choose luxury real estate, okay, and so that's going to be the only interest that I choose is luxury real estate. And as you can see over here on the right hand side, let's go back to the demographics category. It breaks it down. Let's see. Is it going to populate? Let's refresh it. Yes. Let's see if it's going to refresh and keep my information. So yes. So this is Facebook breaking down the information about the interest that you put into this search. And so it breaks it down here about the education level, relationship status, and also gives you the types of jobs that these people are more likely to have. And this is Facebook information. This is the information that Facebook has on these people. Now, a word about that. I know a lot of people dislike the fact that Facebook collects data, but the data that Facebook collects is great for a marketer. So if you're a marketer and you want to start advertising on Facebook, the data that Facebook collects on us is great. It's going to help you out tremendously. And that's another reason why it's good to know who you're going to be marketing to. So this is the information that Facebook has on the people who are interested in luxury real estate. Okay. Now let's look at the page likes. Let's look at the page likes. So the top categories that that the people that are into luxury real estate, the top categories that they like are Tory Burch. You know, these are the top 10. And as you can see, Crate and Barrel, Saks Fifth Avenue. And then it breaks it down to what type of stores or what type of categories it is. So their home store, they like Ashley Home Store. Clothing, they like these clothing stores. And then you could also expand this this category listing. Then also down here at the bottom, you can see their page likes. So what are the top page likes by people who are into luxury real estate? You can see they like Z Gallery. These are some of the other page likes or pages that they like here on Facebook. And so this information helps you fine tune your audience. Like I said, once you know or put in some information about your audience, this Facebook Audience Insights helps you define your audience even deeper so that you can make sure that you're putting in parameters that are going to help you define who your target audience is and who to show your advertising to. Just wanted to give a little overview of this. This is a very helpful tool. This is help you get started on building out your target audience. Now, this is just a piece of the puzzle, so this is not all of it, but I just wanted to share this with you, and so that you will be aware of it, and so that you'll be mindful and know that you need to define who your target audience is for your products and services, and so that you don't feel like, well, I'm just marketing to everybody. Because when it comes to Facebook advertising, if you're trying to market to everybody, you're going to end up wasting your money. So just wanted to put that out there. If you're in a space to where you're ready to start advertising, your organic reach has dried up and you're ready to go on and grab some new, you want to grab new people and reach new people for your membership sites or your courses, send me a message. You can reach out to me here on Facebook. I'm Vandalyn Smith. You send me a message and let's talk about your goals. Let's talk about what your desires are. We can have a conversation and just to see if I'll be able to help you generate those extra leads and sales that you're looking for your business. This is Vandalyn Smith. I thank you for watching this video. And again, if you want to start advertising, you have any questions about advertising, just shoot me a message and we'll discuss it. Have a good day.